Alright guys, so today we will be working on my truck, which is a 2003 Ford Ranger 4x4. So now we're going to start troubleshooting this brake light. And so it only comes on when I accelerate aggressively on the throttle, and you will see it by the light illuminating on the dash right about here. So let's test it out now. Here we go. So I'll get on the throttle, and as you can see, the light will come on. Boom, there it is. So next we'll go ahead and pop the hood. So right now you can see the brake fluid level for max is right here, and the minimum is down here, and the fluid right now is right in the middle. So the brake light is being triggered when you accelerate, because as you accelerate, the brake fluid moves back and forth, and at times it makes it drop below the brake level sensor, and that's why we are getting a brake light. Before adding brake fluid, you want to check your owner's manual, look online, or call an auto shop to make sure you are putting in the correct brake fluid. For this vehicle, it'll be DOT3 brake fluid. So let's go ahead and take the cap off so we can add the fluid. While doing this job, you always want to make sure that you are wearing gloves, because brake fluid is nasty and not good for the skin. And also be careful not to spill, because it's very corrosive. So we will add right underneath the max so we don't overfill it, and you want room for heat and air to expand. So now we are adding the brake fluid. We will now go ahead and install the cap. Alright, so let's go ahead now and close the hood. So I'm going to start up the vehicle, and we're going to test drive it to make sure the light doesn't come on. And if it were to come on, it would come on, like I said earlier, right here. Alright, so I'm going to put it into gear, and we're going to pull out of my driveway and do a little acceleration on it to make sure the brake light doesn't come on. We'll do this for about 2 or 3 times, so we'll just keep an eye on the gauge and make sure it doesn't come on. Looks pretty good so far. Yep, looks like it went well. Brake light away.